Now it's time to see who has a heart. Now is the time to prove to yourselves and prove to everyone out there you are worthy of something. And you're able to do something special that no one else in the world can do.
Every champion has felt it.
Go out there, take no prisoners, have no regrets, have no fear. Lay it all out on the line.
Every president has felt it. Every king has felt it. Every lion has felt it. Every winner has felt it. Every soldier has felt it. Every victorious person has felt it. The urge.
You never say no. You never say it can't get done. Don't you ever say out your mouth it can't get done. Even if you feel in your heart it can't get done, you don't say it out loud. You let the broke folks say that. You can't let anything stop you from doing what you were called to do.
Get up. Go. Fight on.
We must find a way to push through pain, to understand that's on the other side of that struggle.
Some of you have dreams and visions and businesses and ideas and concepts, and they're beautiful, but until you pay the sacrifice, I swear you can't have success where you have not had sacrifice. I swear you won't get it just because you want it, or just because you think you're worth it. You will succeed in the areas and to the degree of your sacrifice.
Do not take the easy way out. Do not give up based on instinct. If you are forced to stand down, to retreat so that you can rebuild and re-attack, so be it.
I don't care if you don't have the money, you don't have the help, and you don't have the family for it, and you don't have the background for it, and you don't have the friends for it. Don't you give up on your dream. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. It may take you twice as long. You may have to take courses and classes. You might not read as fast. You might not move as quick. You might not have as much. But don't you quit. Every champion has felt it. Every president has felt it. Every king has felt it. Every lion has felt it. Every winner has felt it. Every soldier has felt it. Every victorious person has felt it. The urge to quit.